Gearboxes are a staple of engineering. They run almost every machine in the world. They come in all shapes and sizes. Some of them are incredibly unusual. A gearbox is simply a series of integrated gears within some kind of housing. Its purpose is to transfer energy from one device to another. It's also used to increase or decrease output torque and change the speed of a motor. There are many different types, designs, and specifications when it comes to gearboxes. A helical gearbox is one of the most widely used gearboxes and the most efficient. It's fixed at an angle to the shaft. This enables multiple teeth to be in contact during operation, carrying more load. It's used in the production of plastics, cement, and rubber, and functions in extruders, crushers, coolers, and conveyors. Helical gearboxes contain different types of gears, depending on their purpose. The most common ones are single helical gears, but there are also double helical gears and herringbone gears. Just as the Sun is the center of our solar system, the central Sun gear is the center of a planetary gearbox. It's surrounded by 3 planet gears and held together through an outer ring with internal teeth. When the Sun gear is driven, the planet gears rotate the outer ring gear or shaft. A planetary gearbox's design allows power to be spread equally throughout the gears. This enables the system to achieve high torque in a small space. It's often found in robotics and 3D printing technologies. Planetary gearboxes are also the reason you can get so much power from a 3-speed bicycle. Automobile transmissions are another extremely common use for gearboxes. 2 of the most well-known types are manual transmission and automatic transmission. With manual transmission, a driver must select gears manually using the stick shift and clutch. There are 3 different types of manual transmissions, such as sliding mesh gearboxes, constant mesh gearboxes, and pre-selector gearboxes, just to name a few. Automatic transmissions select gears automatically as you drive. An electronic switch sends instructions to the software that manages the gearbox. Some popular types of gearboxes used include torque converters, automated manual transmissions, dual clutch transmissions, and continuously variable transmissions. When it comes to heavy-duty applications, the bevel helical gearbox is an ideal option. It features a curved set of teeth on its cone-shaped surface. It's used to provide rotary motions between non-parallel shafts and is typically seen in mining industry equipment. Another durable gearbox is the skew bevel helical gearbox. It consists of helical gears with oblique shafts and is very customizable based on the number of teeth and gears. Worm reduction gearboxes or worm wheel gearboxes are commonly found in heavy industries such as fertilizers and chemicals. They're often used when there's a need for increased speed reduction in a small space, like an escalator. This type of industrial gearbox has a worm pinion, a screw that inputs power to the assembly, coupled with a perpendicular output worm gear. When it comes to the gears that make up a gearbox, we typically see round gears with teeth. But it's important to note that gears themselves also come in seemingly endless shapes and sizes too. For example, there are spur gears, helical gears, bevel gears, worm gears, and rack and pinion systems. But that's not an exhaustive list by any means. Engineers and amateurs alike have also designed cube gears, nautilus gears, oval gears, spherical gears, rectangular gears, donut gears, and more bizarre creations. As you can see, gearboxes and their components are a huge part of everyday life. Just about every machine in every industry, simple or complex, uses a gearbox. Next time you're driving down the highway, biking to class, or hopping on the subway, consider all the engineering that goes into everything around you.